In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and activate the extension on Google Chrome or Firefox. Since it's available on both, the process is the same for each browser. Go to the link provided in the description and choose the version for your browser, i.e., Chrome or Firefox. Install the extension. Once installed, head over to your browser's extensions menu and pin it for easy access. Click on the extensions icon. If you've already purchased it, enter your license key. If you haven't, click the Buy Now button. Once you finish signing up, you'll be redirected to the delivery page. On the delivery page, you'll see the license key for your extension. Copy the key. Head back to the extension, paste the license key into the field, and hit the Activate button. Your extension is now activated. Open your Payhip account and go to the Store Builder to see the section numbers appear. 1. Highlight and scroll. Click a number to highlight the item on the side panel, and it will automatically scroll into view. 2. Dynamic and adaptive. The numbers will automatically hide when you click on a collection page dropdown and reappear once it's collapsed, making it much more dynamic. 3. Toggle on-off. You can easily turn the entire extension on or off at any time. 4. Automatic syncing. When you rearrange cards on the left panel, the numbers will also get rearranged on the cards and in the sections, keeping everything in sync. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.